Hello, my butterflies. Hello, my butterflies. Hello, y'all better come on over. Come on over like a four-leaf clover. Hello, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to Free Spirit CC. And thank you to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. I want you to know that first and foremost. I truly, truly do. I truly, truly do. A happy hump day to everybody. Happy hump day. And y'all see what I'm wearing today is my nightgown. Because I'm calling this on my second channel, I'm calling this a Wind Down Wednesday. Wind Down Wednesday. And when I say wind down, I mean wind all the way down to your PJs or your nightgown or whatever. So I have on one of my warmest nightgowns. It's very, very comfy. They have 2 pockets. I love it. Very comfy. Excuse me, I did a video on my second channel. Excuse me, Talk and Sip with Cynthia C. I did a Wind Down Wednesday over there, so I said, why not do a Wind Down Wednesday over here too? Don't sound bad, do it, girls and gentlemen. My butterflies. Don't sound bad at all. On these different jobs, they have, some jobs have, what they call it, I don't know what they call it, Wind Down Friday, or what they call it, Dress Down Friday, and they get to wear jeans or whatever on their jobs and stuff like that. I remember those days, because I was one of them. Used to have that Dress Down Friday. You can come with jeans on that particular day, because I'm a nurse. So, yeah. Most of the time I would be in scrubs. So we had that Wind Down Friday. That, not Wind Down. That, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, anywho. Your brain can't wake up too much, honey, if you ain't ate nothing. So, hey, bam. This is tuna. So I got a little mukbang going on here while I'm going to be in conversation today. That's tuna. I made it up myself. And it has pickles in it. Those pickle cubes, sweet pickle cubes. And I put seasonings in here also. Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, that sort of thing. Parsley, flakes, paprika. And I have my whole wheat Ritz crackers. Who like whole wheat? Whole wheat, I can't even talk today, y'all. Whole wheat Ritz crackers on deck. I think these are cute little packages, y'all. I love these little packs. And they come in this box here. In case anybody interested in buying any, they're whole wheat. Fresh stacks. Right here. And they're really good and really tasty. You know, I like Ritz anyway. I know a lot of y'all probably like Ritz crackers too. And these are more wholesome because they're whole wheat. But anyway, and anyhow, y'all, as I eat, I don't know if you can call this a mukbang or not, because I showed y'all my food, but you're going to be able to see my food at all times because I don't have the camera aimed down at my food. But you'll see it when I put it in my mouth. That you will see. So let me take a bite. Mm-hmm. Pretty good. Dress down Friday. I don't know if y'all like I am, but when I try to remember something, it'll stay on my brain, honey, until it come to me. And it finally came to me. Again. Dress down Friday. And we wore blue jeans on the job. Y'all, this is tasty. Got my ginger ale in here. It's the most wonderful time of the year cup. Because it is. The holidays are coming round the bend, y'all. Y'all know that. The holidays are coming around the bend. It says it's on both sides. It says it on both sides. Mm-hmm. Y'all, these are rose gold earrings. I told y'all I got some jewelry from Amazon. I told you I'll show it to y'all soon, so here that you probably can't hardly tell what color they are with this tripod light, but it's rose gold. Rose gold, and they're really cute. I love them. But anyhow, let me get on down to what I came here for in the beginning. And that is to react to someone, address someone that we all know. Tweety Bird. The connection rejection. Yeah, her. Y'all, it's good. First meal of the day. $3:14 p.m. Y'all, the time flies so fast. Do y'all agree? Every day the time flies to me. Mm-hmm. Don't have anything on your calendar at 3:14 p.m. Oh my goodness, okay, Siri. Oh, I'm talking to Siri. But anyhow. Tweety Bird. Why were you sleeping in those wrist guards? What's the matter with you these days? Who sleep in wrist guards? I know how tight those things are. I wore some before. They are so tight, honey, they'll stop your circulation, honey, while you're awake or while you're sleeping. Either or, it don't matter. And you slept in yours because you told us. Yeah, I slept in these wrist guards. I'm like, what is this chick trying to do? Kill herself? Allegedly? Because you sure act like you gonna go to sleep with some darn wrist guards. I mean, for what? They help keep your wrists intact while you sleep? What it's gonna do is gonna stop your darn blood from circulating, honey. So I wouldn't advise you to do that again. You don't want to do that again. Unless, of course, you're trying to get rid of yourself. Quickly. Allegedly. I was like, no, she didn't. No, she didn't just tell us she slept and those wrist guards. But she really did. I mean, you act like you're trying to pass away in your sleep. Who does that? I've never heard nobody doing that. Sleeping in your wrist guards. With a serious grip them things have. I gotta keep an extra eye on you, girl, because you seem to be a little dangerous to yourself. Allegedly. Mm-hmm. And I also Miss Tweety, I see you still having problems with those bugs flying all around you. And they seem to always be kind of flying kind of low around you. Because you wear your dusters or dress or whatever you call it, you be wearing all the time. And they're always down below, like they're coming from under your dress. I wonder why. Those bugs like to fly around down there. Do you know? Do you know why you always have a problem with them bugs flying down there? And you let us know and you let us see that they're down there flying around because you always like this here. Oh, these bugs. Girl, you must not be washing yourself well. That's the only thing I can say. You must not be washing yourself well down there. If you know what I mean. If you catch my drift. Girl, you must be mighty doggone stanky. Mighty stanky. To be having bugs flying all down there. All the time, quite often. And you come, what's that? What's that? You were patting on your dress down there. What's that? What's that? I think it's a bug. You think? They seem to live down there, if you ask me. Because you're always complaining about them. Down there. Girl. I told you before, but you better get your can of Raid or some doggone air freshener or something and throw down there. Or you ain't throwing the soap and water down there. That's what you really need to do. Get you a good lather going on your cloth, a good lather. And girl, clean yourself well before you come out. And you might need to sit that particular chair you sit in all the time by your computer. You might need to sit that chair out there on your outside of your apartment so it can get aired out. Because see, the funk probably lies in that chair also because you're always sitting in that chair. And the bugs follow you. Right to that chair. And that chair in your room too. I don't know if it's the same chair from your living room. Because you had a problem with bugs when you was in your bedroom too. Your last video I looked at. When you figure you want to change rooms, change scenery with your videos. I'm kind of embarrassing, girl. You need to clean up. Clean up in that department. You won't have that problem. The bugs will go somewhere else. The bugs is following a smell. They smell something. They smell that funk, baby. That's what they smell. They smell that funk. And girl, another thing. About your little mukbang eatings. About your little mukbang eatings, girl. Try your best to cook something or eat something a little more appetizing. Because your little mukbangs, honey, be looking like crap, to tell the truth. Now, I'm going to tell the truth when the truth needs to be told. Your mukbangs be looking like crap. Due to the fact that you eat in a weird way. You eat some weird stuff. Now, let me think of something you ate before that was, like, disgusting to me. French fries with mustard. French fries with mustard and caramelized onions on top of that. My God, girl. Where do you get that recipe from? Excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. That's a recipe for destruction right there. It don't even look good. It don't even sound good when you talk about what you eat. Do a nice and pleasant mukbang that people can relate to. Because I don't think they can relate to the weird way you eat, the weird stuff you eat. Pork chop with cheese and jelly on top of the darn cheese. Make that make sense to me. I know everybody got their own taste buds, but honey, you got one heck of a taste buds on whatever the stuff you be putting together. Like a bunch of crap. That's why you don't get too many views on your doggone mukbangs. Or you get some views, because you've been out there in YouTube streets for a minute. But other than that, I'm sorry, honey. What you eat looks like a bunch of crap enough to make you sick. Make a person's stomach turn. And you think it look appetizing to the viewing audience? I don't think so. Cook some things that we know about. Dress it up with some things we know about. You eat in a weird way, girl. You's a strange individual, allegedly. Y'all, this tuna is so good. With these crackers, y'all have some. I am so sorry. How so impolite of me. So busy talking about Tweety bird, I forgot about my butterflies. Here y'all. Have a bite. There you go. It is so good. You got all those pieces of pickles popping through here. Yeah, hunger is something else, honey. You gotta eat. Gotta eat. Oh, girl, you eat. I know some people probably eat the sandwich upside down. But I mean, you really eat your sandwiches upside down from the bottom to the top. I'm sorry, but I've never seen that before either. Never seen anybody eat the sandwich the way you do. Strange. You strange, girl. And I am here to tell you that. Why do you eat the way you eat? Why do you eat weird stuff? Weird looking stuff that's not appetizing at all. I mean, who eat the sandwich like that? Oops. I guess you do. Get it together, girl. Overall, you need to get it together. You really do. Make your people happy. And have a better mukbang, honey. A better looking mukbang. And you and them cakes you be eating, girl. I ain't never seen somebody complain about what they eating, but they steady eating it. You were putting dents and holes and dips and valleys and rivers and everything in that, and them cakes go all around it, but you eat them. Talk about how dry it is, but you eat it. All your food just be looking weird to me. Just downright weird. And I was just wondering, did you get your little eat dance from Adrian? Because when Adrian eat, she do a little dance. Sometimes she do put a little dance to it. Did you possibly get that from Adrian? You know, you obsessed with Adrian, honey. I'm here to tell you. That's right, I said that you are obsessed with that woman, especially the way you were talking about her last night. I saw it in your eyes. You are very much so obsessed with that woman. That's something you need to pray about, honey. You need to do something. Because you got a problem. And one more thing. If you decide you want to talk about me, don't sneak it in your videos. Put my name in your title so I know to come visit you and see what you're talking about. Don't be sneaky with it and sneak little certain things in your video without me. You feel like I won't know. Put my channel name in your title when you saying something about me, so I'll know. Next time, when you want to come for me, come correct. So I can come correct back to you. Okay. Well, y'all, that's all I gotta say for now. I'm gonna go. Because I don't want to hold y'all up. And I'm gonna finish my tuna. But y'all have a blessed rest of y'all day. My butterflies. Love y'all. Peace to you all.